Hi Sagittarians, I'm Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing. So let us see what November has in store for you. Wow. So how was October for you? Nice. And could I help you? Do comment in the comment section. Do let us know your feedback and any personal consultation also if you feel like having with me. You could contact my healing center. Great. Good time. Very nice. Come on. Very, very good. So, whatever you expect, okay, that'll happen. That'll get manifested. So, do a lot of manifestation exercises, a lot of manifestation meditations. You get a lot of manifestation musics on YouTube. Please use them. We have manifestation, essence takes, crystals, lot of things. So this is the time whatever you manifest will happen. The globe will come into your hand, but you have to manifest. You should use certain technique of manifestation. All right. Use crystals, use divine codes, do meditations, do manifestation techniques, workshops, whatever you feel like. Or else do contact us. We'll give you certain prescriptions. So whatever you expect will happen. Now, money is in a very good condition, and people who are into spirituality, who are into a practice of spirituality will earn a lot of money this November. Yay! Great. Alright. So, a lot of strength that you have developed. There's a lot of strength, but the strength is strength of love. So, this lady, she can even get us a lion for that matter. The strength of love only can help you do this. So you have the strength of love, and that strength of love will turn into money, will manifest into money. So keep that. If you miss that frequency, then not my responsibility. Okay. Then comes your career. So career is okay. A little delay maybe in your appointments, maybe from your clients, maybe a little delay of payments of money. Not that you'll not have money, but then you have to deal with them with lot of strength. Little delays when it comes to money and appointments, but it will be all sorted. Not big delays, some 1 or 2 days. Now, relations. In relations here, you will find yourself showing light to others, but there's no one showing light to you. You will give advice to others, you will help others, but you might find yourself into a lonely situation where there's no one to help you. Maybe no one as good as you to help yourself. So I always say, if there's no one to help you, means you are the best person to help yourself. Maybe no one has that caliber. Alright. So you will find yourself in such a position for sure. So you have the strength of love. Use it for yourself as well. Use it for others as well. Use it for yourself. Because everything starts from you. Charity begins at home. You are loved, everyone else is loved. When you need to have that resource now, you should always have that resource of love, of money, of abundance, of anything that you want to give. You should be filled with that. Or else you just get drained, you just get strained. This is what I don't want in life. Alright. Just there is a warning that again when I spoke about this loneliness, you might definitely start feeling a little down, little depressed. It would be a genuine depression. Also, you might lose maybe a dear friend or someone. Not like lose means not someone will expire or die. But yes, you might lose a near dear friend and you really feel bad about it, and again at that point in time you would not know what to do because you might not have anyone for advice. But your gut, your heart, be true to yourself. If the other person wants time, give time. If the other person wants confrontation, give that. The other person wants to talk to you, please talk. So, yeah, it will be very genuine. Okay. Maybe the other person's viewpoint is also genuine. You will have to figure out that. Not every time what you want will happen. In relations, especially in relations, is what I'm trying to tell you. Money is good. Money is pretty fine. Just you will help someone with money. Just that you need to know that money might not come back. So it's okay. It's okay. Maybe it's karma. And again, it's your choice to give this money to someone or not. It's a complete choice. So overall expectations will get fulfilled. Money is fine. Career is good. Relation with self is to be developed, and relation with self is good. Forgive your friend. Ask the angels to intervene if someone goes away from your life. And if you're okay with that, I don't mind. And don't give money unless you internally feel so. Check with dowsing or check with us in tarot reading. Is this the person whom I should be giving money or not? We're open for all that. So, bachelor remedies will help you for self-motivation. And you can also affirm, I am motivated by myself. I love and accept myself. I am supported by the divine. Any of the affirmation would do good. Alright. Overall, a good month, Sagittarians. November is a good month. Don't worry. And I will meet you in the next video. Thank you so much.